Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this smartphone. Firstly, open Settings. After that, you need to scroll down and select Privacy Protection. Over here, click on All Permissions and pick one of your phone's features, like location. Then select one of your apps, for example Maps, and pick one of those options for this app. Allow all the time, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or deny. I will go with allow all the time, so I have to tap on it and go back. And now, as you can see, Maps just gained access to this device location. But you can also tap on one of your apps and select See All Maps Permissions. Over here, you can manage all of them from this app, from here. Go on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!